Everybody back to their personal desk. All right, who wants to share one of their meals with us? Alexia, what did you eat in your meal?
One slice of cheese pizza.
Was how many calories?
250.
250. What's next?
I put baby carrots.
So carrots. How many calories?
24.
24.
And then I put a slice of watermelon.
Oh, watermelon. How many calories?
86.
86. What was your total?
360.
360. What did we notice about the foods in the chart? What has less calories? Miley?
Carrots.
Carrots. What else?
Oh, you're talking me.
Yeah.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. What? Does pizza have more calories?
Yeah.
So what does that mean? It has more energy, right? But these healthier foods like carrots and watermelon, what else do we have on there that's healthy? And orange, they're all really low calories. You can eat a lot of those calories, right? All right, who's next? Landon, what was your meal?
We did the same thing.
Anybody have a different meal? They didn't eat pizza?
Yeah, we did.
Shayla?
I had 6 baby carrots.
Carrots, for how many calories?
24.
24. What else you eat?
I got orange,
Orange.
and that was 62.
Okay. What else?
Watermelon, which was 86.
86?
And my last one is a hard cooked egg.
Hard-boiled eggs.
Hard.
And how many calories is that?
78.
78. What was your total?
260.
That's a low-calorie meal, and she got to eat almost everything on the chart. She didn't eat cookies, she didn't eat any sweets, and she didn't eat any pizza, right? So, we talked earlier a little bit about you can eat cookies, right? But you also need to eat what with it?
Healthy stuff.
Healthy stuff. So we eat everything in moderation. You don't want to eat only pizza with all these calories in it. You don't want to eat only chocolate chip cookies, right? With tons of calories in it. So you want to eat everything in moderation. Does everybody know what moderation means?
Yes.
All right, so we're going to go to the next page in your book. Flip it to 148. And at the top, there's a picture. And it says myplate.gov in the picture. And we're going to read all about MyPlate. 5 food groups. Your body needs many types of foods. But how do you know what kind of food to eat? Foods can be divided into
5
fruits, vegetables, grain, protein, and dairy products. The U.S. Department of Agriculture, or the USDA, has created MyPlate. This helps you know how much of each food group to eat. So you see the picture with the colors?
Yeah.
You have all your food groups in here. You have your fruits, your vegetables, your grains, your protein, and then your dairy is up here. Yeah? So this is what your plate should look like for a square, healthy meal, right? All right, we're going to talk about fruits. Fruits and vegetables should make up about
Half of your meal.
vegetables do not have as many calories of energy as other foods, but they do have many nutrients. Eating many kinds of fruits and vegetables helps your body to
Grow.
and stay healthy. All right, so vegetables, how much of your plate, just looking at the picture, should be fruits and vegetables? Who can tell me? Toy? Half of your plate should come from fruits and vegetables and stuff that we grow, and it's not in a can or anything like that. Sometimes we eat vegetables in a can, but you know what I mean. We want good, healthy vegetables. Maverick, you want to read about whole grains?
Sure. Whole grains and protein should make up the other half of your meal. Grains such as rice, whole grain breads, and popcorn are healthy sources of energy. Whole grain foods help you to feel full. They give your body more energy than fruits and vegetables. Nutrients that keep the cells in your body healthy are found in whole grain foods.
Right. So what are some examples of fruits? We already kind of explained. I only need one answer. Alexia?
Strawberries.
Strawberries. What's a vegetable, Coy?
Like, green beans.
Green beans. Good job. What are some benefits of the whole grains that we just read about? Right?
It gives you more energy.
Gives you more energy. And like Miley was talking about with protein, it keeps you full. If you eat pasta, you're going to be so full. And it's going to keep you full because you're going to get those nutrients. Yes, Landon?
Bread and popcorn are healthy resources of energy.
That's right. So we get good energy. All right, the next one we're going to talk about is what? Protein. Proteins are very
Important.
for your body. Protein helps to build and repair the body. Fish and meat are good sources of protein. Eggs are also high in protein. It is important to include some
Protein.
with each meal and snack. What is a protein? Miley?
It's a snack that keeps you full for a long time.
Keeps you full. What's an example of a protein, Luke?
Eggs.
Eggs. Good job. It actually said eggs in there. All right, our next one is dairy. Look at your picture of your plate on the other page. See how dairy is out here by itself? Where am I? Over here? Why do you think dairy is out here by itself? Alexia?
Because most of it is sweet.
Not necessarily. Landon?
Because it's like, it doesn't go good with all the stuff. Like,
No. Maverick?
most of the time, dairy is used for like a dessert or something.
No. Todd?
Because it's a drink. You don't want to pour dairy on like a milk on your dish and like.
A lot of times, Todd is right, a lot of times we have a glass of milk or we put butter on our food. So they put dairy over here in its own little thing because it's not necessarily the main part of your meal very often. Does that make sense? Like when you have a steak, that's a big chunk of your meal, and the vegetables and the fruits and all of that stuff is a bigger part. So dairy gets its own little circle up here.
I thought it was a cup.
Or a cup, yes. Most of the time we drink milk is a big source of dairy. Who can read about dairy for me?
Dairy products are important for building healthy bones and teeth. Dairy products are a good source of protein and other nutrients. Milk, cheese, and yogurt are dairy products.
Awesome. Did we miss one? No, we read whole grains.
Oh, we didn't do sweet food.
We're going to talk about sweet food in just a second. Why is it important to eat dairy? Why is dairy important to be on our plate? Jacob?
I've heard this one because it, like milk or something makes your bones stronger.
And Violet just read that. It says for building healthy bones and teeth. You want your teeth to be healthy, and dairy has vitamin D in it. Milk and vitamin D makes your bones strong so you can lift and run and carry your body. Yes, Brantley?
Oh wait, no, you said.
Yeah, we're going to read it right now. All right, so sweet foods. Do you see sweet foods on your plate? No, the USDA doesn't think you need a certain amount of sweet foods every day. You don't need to eat sweets. We eat sweets because we want to eat sweets, and they're delicious.
They taste good. It's bad for you.
A lot of the times, have you? Yes, ma'am? You can read next. Shayla's going to read sweet foods for us.
Sweet foods such as candy, cookies, and ice cream should only be eaten in small amounts. These foods are very high in calories much sugar can cause cavities and tooth decay.
Very good, very good. Has anyone ever been to a birthday party and ate cupcakes and candy and ice cream? I have. How do you feel afterwards?
Stuff.
Huh?
Crazy.
Crazy?
Sick.
Terrible. When I go to bed after eating all those sweets, I feel horrible. My stomach's not happy. Ugh, I just feel not good. When we eat healthy food, how do we feel?
Right.
Good. Should we eat sweets every day?
No.
No. Is it okay to eat sweets?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And it's fun. If you're feeding your body vegetables and the grains and the fruit and you got your dairy, you got all those good nutrients, your vitamin D and your protein. It's okay to have an Oreo or two or a bowl of ice cream. You just want to eat it in moderation, right?
I know they have.
All right. So we're going to do a worksheet now about the 5 food groups. It looks like this. So you have a list over here. These words are the words you use on your plate. Does that make sense? You're going to use your picture in your book as your resource. Yes? And you're going to label each section. So what section should we have, Gage?
Fruit, vegetables, grains, dairy, and protein.
And protein, exactly. And you're going to fill in the appropriate foods that go on your plate. Does everyone understand? Give me a thumbs up. All right.